Hello everyone, this video is presenting by Team Streamline Squad. Today we are presenting a business transformation scenario for a retail company. We call it Omni Retail 360. A business that operates across physical stores, an online website and a mobile application. While Omni Retail is growing in terms of sales and customers, it faces a critical challenge like the leadership does not have a single reliable view of the business. Data is spread across multiple systems, stores, sales, online orders, customer data, inventory and promotions all exist in separate places. Because of this, even simple business questions like what is our total revenue or which region is performing best do not have quick or consistent answers. So let's take a practical example. Suppose a manager notices that sales is in one region are declining. To understand the reason, they need to analyze customer trends, product availability and recent promotions. But since this information is scattered, it takes a lot of time to gather and analyze. By the time insights are ready, the business has already lost valuable opportunities. Inventory management is another major challenge. In some locations, products go out of stock, leading to missed sales. At the same time, the same product may be overstocked in other regions, increasing storage costs. Without a clear view of inventory across all channels, it becomes difficult to balance supply and demand. Customer behavior is also not clearly understood. The company runs promotions to attract customers but does not have strong visibility into repeat purchase or customer loyalty. This makes it hard to answer quick questions like how many customers are returning or which customer are most valuable. Reporting adds to the problem. Most reports are generated monthly and involve manual effort. Collecting data, cleaning it and combining it into a final report. This process is slow and prone to errors, meaning decisions are often based on outdated information. So overall, the business is dealing with disconnected data, inconsistent reports, delays in decision making, and limited visibility into key areas like inventory and customer behavior. What Omni Retail really needs is a unified and trusted view of its data, where all the information comes together in a consistent and reliable way. With that, leadership can be quickly answer important questions like which products are performing well, which regions need attention, how effective are promotions, and how can we improve customer retention. This shift will help the company move from reactive decisions to faster data-driven strategies, improving both efficiency and growth. In the next part of our presentation, we will show how this can be achieved.
Hello everyone, my name is Ganesh. This project I have worked on Amazon S3 bucket. We have chosen Amazon S3 architecture because before browsing the data, we need a reliable storage system. So we have chosen Amazon S3 bucket. It is an object storage service which allows us to store unlimited data in the form of buckets and objects. The main reason we have chosen S3 is because it is more scalable. In this we can store terabytes of data and it is more durable. It is also cost effective that we can only pay for what we use and accessible globally. So in our project, S3 acts as a data lake which we store raw CSV files. Now coming to data ingestion into S3. First of all, we have to create a bucket in Amazon AWS. Search for S3 bucket. Now name the bucket using some project name or anything. Now create bucket. After creating bucket, we can open it again. Now we can upload the files one by one. So we take our CSV datasets and upload them into S3 bucket. So inside the bucket, we have to organize them like a folders or files. This helps us maintain a clean and modular data lake architecture. At this stage, the data is run unprocessed, meaning no transformations have been applied yet. And coming to how connecting S3 with Databricks. To process this data, we use Databricks, which is built on Apache Spark. In Databricks, we create an external location which points to our S3 bucket. This also allows the Databricks to securely access the data. The steps include will be like configuring AWS credentials. Later, we have to define external locations in Databricks. And finally, we have to give the permissions like accessing them. Once it connected, data treats S3 as a data source. Now creating data frames from S3 data. So coming to core part, converting raw data into usable format. Using Databricks, we need read the CSV files from S3 and load them into data frames. The key benefits are distributed processing and schema enforcement. That means no schema is disturbed here.
So I started the bronze layer data ingestion raw storage. Mainly object to serve. The bronze layer is first stage of data pipeline where raw data is ingested from source files. No transformations are applied. Data is stored in its original form, traceability and reprocessing. Mainly these are 5 steps. Mainly step 1, schema definition. We explicitly define schemas using PySpark tool. Ensure consistent data types. Avoid schema inference errors. Improve performance during ingestion. So we created schemas for customers, orders, order items, payments and products. All fields are defined as string type to handle the unstructured data safely. Avoid ingestion failure due to data type mismatches. We will enter to step 2, reading raw CSV files. We loaded raw datasets from storage into Spark DataFrames. So mainly key points are used to form CSV. Enable header with option header to load from raw data. These datasets are initially also same customers, orders, order items, order payments, products. So we will step 3, add ingestion metadata. We added a new column, current timestamp, purpose track when data was ingested, enable auditing and debugging, support incremental processing later. So we column added ingestion timestamp. Step 4, we have to save data as delta tables from. We stored data into delta format for reliability and scalability. So tables created orders, bronze orders, customers, bronze customers, order items, bronze order items, payments, bronze order payments, products, bronze products.
Good morning everyone. My name is Manasa. I'm from Streamline Squad. So in our project, I'm going to introduce you about our silver layer. So silver layer is responsible for transforming raw bronze data into clean, structured and reliable data. The main goal of this layer is to improve data quality by applying transformations like cleaning, standardization, handling nulls and removing duplicates before moving to the gold layer. So in the first step I did is loading bronze data. First, I loaded all the bronze tables such as orders, customers, order items, payments and products into data frames using Spark. This allows us to perform distributed data processing efficiently on large datasets. So in the second step, we did trimming the spaces. So this is important because extra spaces in data can cause mismatches during joins and filtering. Instead of applying trim column by column, I dynamically applied it to all the string columns using schema-based logic, which makes the code scalable and efficient. So in the next step, we fixed the data formats. One of the key transformation is standardizing data formats. In real world data, timestamps can come in different formats. So I created a reusable function using 2 timestamp and coalescec to handle multiple date formats. This ensures all date columns like order purchase date, delivery date and shipping date are converted into a consistent timestamp format. This improves time-based analysis like delivery delays and order trends. And the fourth step we did is standardization. I standardized all string columns by trimming and converting them into uppercase. This helps maintain consistency in categorical values like product categories or order status. I also converted numerical columns like price and payment value into proper numeric types such as double and integer. In the next step I did is standardizing order status. Order status column by grouping values like delivered, shipped and cancelled and assigning all other values as other. This simplifies analysis and avoids unnecessary complexity in reporting. The next step is removing duplicates. I removed duplicate records based on primary keys such as order ID, customer ID, and product ID. This ensures that each record is unique and avoids incorrect metrics like double counting. And the next step is handling null values. Handling null values is a critical step. For categorical fields, I replace null values with unknown. For numerical fields like price and payment value, I replace null values with 0. This prevents errors during aggregations and ensures data completeness. The system improves data reliability for business reporting. And the next step is data validation. After transformations, I performed validation check like counting total versus distinct records, checking null values, verifying schema. This ensures that data is clean and transformation logic worked correctly. And finally, I stored the transformed data into silver tables using delta format. I used overwrite mode with schema enforcement to maintain consistency. So to summarize, the silver layer plays a crucial role in converting raw data into clean, consistent, and analysis-ready data. This ensures the gold layer can generate accurate business insights. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jyoti and now I'll explain the goal layer of our Omni retail data pipeline. The goal layer is the most important layer because it focuses on business insights and analytics. After storing raw data in storage like Amazon S3 and processing in earlier layers, we use Databricks to convert that data into meaningful information. In simple terms, the goal layer is where the data becomes decision-making power. Initially, we create a goal fact table, which acts as the backbone of our analytics system. What we do, we take clean and structured data from the silver layer, join multiple datasets such as orders, customers, products, and payments, and we get a unified table that contains all business fields like order ID, customer ID, product ID, price, and total payment order timestamps. Why we consider this as an important layer? Because it provides a single source of truth, avoids data duplication, makes analysis faster and easier. We store this table in Delta format, which supports fast querying, asset transactions, scalability. So this table becomes the foundation for all KPI calculation. In next step, we perform data cleaning and transformation to make our data accurate and consistent before analysis. The key operations that we perform are handling missing values, removing duplicates, standardizing column names. We also validate joins, ensuring customer IDs and product IDs match correctly. Why this step is critical? Even a small error in data can lead to wrong business decisions. Clean data ensures high quality analytics, so this step improves data reliability and trustworthiness.
Now I will explain how we use KPIs step by step in our project. At step 1, we read the processed data, in which we take the clean data and structured data from the gold fact table. And in the second step, we applied various aggregations like group by, sum, count distinct, etc. to calculate the business metrics. And at step 3, we created various KPI tables such as total revenue, top customers, best selling products, sales trends, payment analysis, customer insights, and each KPI is stored as a separate table. And in step 4, we store the data in the Delta format. We used KPI tables using Delta format in the Databricks. Generally, these are used for faster querying, reliable storage, and it supports various analytics and dashboards. And in the final step, we performed visualization where we can use these KPI tables to create various dashboards using Databricks visualization tools. These dashboards will help users to easily understand the performance of the business.
Hello everyone, I am Teena. In this video, I'll be presenting my e-commerce dashboard project, which provides insights into sales, customers, payments, and product performance. This dashboard is designed to help business make data-driven decisions by analyzing key metrics and trends. Let me start with a quick overview of the dashboard. At the top, we have key performance indicators followed by multiple sections: customer analysis, sales trends, payment insights, product performance. Each section is interactive and allows filtering for deeper analysis. Here at the top, we have the most important KPIs. Top revenue. This shows the overall earnings, total customers, number of unique customers, total payments, total amount received, and total products, number of products sold or listed. These metrics give a quick snapshots of business performance. Next, we move to top customers dashboard. Here we can filter data using customer ID and total spent. The bar chart shows the top 10 customers based on spending. A small group of customers contributes a large portion of revenue. Below, we also have detailed customer data which helps identify high-level customers' spending patterns. On the right side, we have the sales trade section. Filters include month, year, and monthly sales. The line chart shows how sales have grown over time. There is a steady increase in sales from 2016 to 2018, indicating business growth. This helps in forecasting future sales, identifying seasonal trends. Next, we have the payment analysis dashboard. Filters include payment total and payment type. The donut chart shows payment distribution by type. One payment method dominates with around 78% usage, while others contribute small portions. This helps businesses optimize payment options, focus on popular methods. Now let's look at the best products dashboard. Filters include product ID and total sales. The bar chart shows top 10 product categories by sales. Categories like health, beauty, and accessories lead in sales. Some categories perform significantly better than others. This helps in inventory planning, marketing strategy, and product prioritization. One of the key features of this dashboard is interactivity. Users can apply filters, drill down into data, customize views. This makes the dashboard flexible and user-friendly. To conclude, this e-commerce dashboard provides clear business insights, customer behavior analysis, sales and product performance tracking. It helps stakeholders make informed decisions and improve overall business performance. Thank you.